I don't see a great difference if you have a secured and unsecured line. Sometimes it is a difference when it comes down to your FICO score, though. But when it comes down to your other credit scores, sometimes there is not a difference. I always tell people, when you guys think about, unsecured and secure lines, I tell people just get some accounts that's going to report to your credit reports so that you can start building your credit score in general. There's so many different credit scores out there, so many different credit reports out there. You want just accounts to start reporting for you. Some people say that they don't even want to get the secure lines at all because those secure lines are not going to help them, but in reality they can help you because there's so many different companies out there that's using their own scoring models. And when those accounts show up on your credit reports, it's going to most likely boost your credit score, especially if you don't have any other credit cards. So definitely check it out. And there are so many different personal loans that you guys can get. And those are like the installment accounts. There's so many personal loans that you guys can get. If you guys have a very good credit score, try to get a personal loan through your bank if you want an installment account, and don't go to like the self and things like that because you're going to pay additional higher fees for no reason. Try to see if you can get a personal loan with your bank, because when they give you that money, you can use that money to pay it back, and then it can help boost your credit score that way. So definitely check that out. But to me,